Hey besties, welcome back to part 2 where we're going to be finishing this apron. Now, I probably haven't used a sewing machine in 10 years or so as you can see, I was a little hesitant at first and I didn't really press down that pedal too hard, but with the instructions and videos provided in the Hive, it made the process really easy and less intimidating to get back into. And as you can see, we have a pretty good hemline here. It's not too jagged, it's not perfect, but it served its purpose, and for our first project in a long time, I think it turned out pretty good. This is where I kind of went off the original blog post instructions because I'm not sure what she said to do for the straps, but I just decided to use this free ribbon in the Hive. That's another great thing about the Hive Makerspace is that there's just a bunch of free material for patron use. So you can make all types of projects, not just this apron, but any new projects, any old projects that you were working on. There's sewing, there's 3D printing, there's drawing, there's all sorts of crafting that you can do in this makerspace, and that's what we want to encourage people to do. So here's a video of my wonderful coworker Sarah wearing the apron. She looks so cute. The apron looks so cute. I was really proud of it. And then it's on our mannequin Jenny. I'm not sure why that's her name. That's just the name that I came up with to name her. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself, and I hope you come in and see it or make your own project or craft here in the Hive Makerspace.